Welcome back to Tech Wave 65. Today we re-diving into a topic that is both thrilling and terrifying, how AI is rapidly taking over jobs in 2025. From office work to creative fields, automation is no longer a concept of the future. It's here, and it's disrupting everything. But is your job safe? Let's find out. Fun, the rise of AI in the workplace. AI is no longer just powering your phone's assistant. It's analyzing data, managing supply chains, writing content, diagnosing diseases, and even making hiring decisions. Major companies like Amazon, Google, and even fast food giants like McDonald's are replacing humans with algorithms, robots, and automation systems. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Synthesia are taking over creative industries, while tools like XAI and Palantir are revolutionizing finance and defense. We're not talking about the distant future. These tools are already here. 2. Which jobs are most at risk? The most vulnerable roles in 2025. Customer service reps. AI chatbots now handle 80% of support tickets. Writers and journalists. AI tools are creating blogs, ads, and news reports. Data analysts. AI can process and interpret datasets faster than humans ever could. Cashiers and retail, self-checkout and automated restocking systems are replacing staff. Truck drivers. Autonomous delivery systems are expanding rapidly. 3. Safe zones? Maybe. Some jobs are harder to replace. Creative strategy. AI can generate content, but it still struggles with emotional storytelling and long-term vision. Human care professions, nurses, therapists, and teachers, roles needing human empathy, are safer. Skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, and technicians are still needed in the physical world. But even these aren't completely immune. AI-powered diagnostics, robo-teaching tools, and automated construction machines are catching up fast. 4. The new skills you'll need to survive 2025 and beyond. Learn to work with AI, prompt engineering, automation workflows. Focus on creativity and emotional intelligence. Embrace problem-solving and adaptability. Consider careers in AI ethics, maintenance, and human-machine interaction. AI isn't coming for your job. It's already here. The question is, will you adapt or be replaced? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow TechWave65 for more content like this. Thanks for watching.